cleaned up my boots today. I don't wear these boots much, and I went to get them out last night and they're all musty and moldy. They're Carhartt boots, and when I first bought them, they were the darndest most comfortable boot I'd ever owned. I loved them until I got them wet. Then they dried out, and when they dried, right across here, apparently shrunk or something. And now when I wear them, they pinch the top of my toenails. They're the most god-awful things. But they're all I've got, and I gotta have them for where I'm going. Well, folks, today is an exciting day. Today's the day we're gonna go pick up our new Woodmizer. We have to go to Chesterville, Maine, which is right about a 5-hour drive from my house.
Strange came by night. Bound away out of sight. Took a path through the fields. Pulled away what was real.
Well, everybody, we made it to Maine. We're in Wilton right now, which is just one town away from where the Woodmizer store is. We're going to get a little bit of sleep here tonight and head out bright and early in the morning.
Alright, well, we just went through the training class here at Woodmizer sales dealership, and we're just getting on the road now. We're going to find a place to pull over and kind of figure out what we're going to do from here, but there's a lot of information to take in all at once.
Wrap me up in your best. And nail me to the floor. It was such a muted blow. You push so hard, move so slow.
Hey everybody, well, we made it home safe and sound. The mill towed pretty well. I can't complain about how it tows and how it handles behind the truck. Everything went pretty good. Thanks for following along. I hope you all enjoyed the trip, and keep your eye out for future videos. We'll do some videoing, and we'll show you how it goes as we learn how to operate this mill.